Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on increasing the contrast of the screen on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Enabling this setting will increase the contrast in colors between the app foreground and background. It can help to make your watch screen easier to read. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Accessibility. Scroll down the accessibility settings and tap the toggle to the right of Increase Contrast to enable the setting. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.